Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use indirect function in Excel. Indirect function is used to indirectly referring the names of cells, worksheets or even workbooks. It means that instead of directly referring the addresses of cells or columns or worksheet etc., indirect function use their names. So first of all, to apply indirect function in Excel, we have to define the columns by their names. For example, here are columns in which subject and student name are given. So we will define the name with student's name, and to define that, select the column and then right click, and here you can see the option define name, and you can define as their name. Click on OK. As I have already done this, so these columns have already been defined. So we have to create a drill down list here against the cell name, and to create drill down list, go in data tab and then data validation, and from allow list select the list and then select source. Here is the source, the names of the columns, and then enter and click on OK. Now you can see the drill down list is created. So select any name here, and now we will apply here the indirect function. So we will calculate the sum, and we will write formula as sum and then press tab, and now here we will write indirect and tab and select, and here we will see how the indirect function works. We will not select here the original column or cells. We will just here select the name as Babar, and then we will close this section by parentheses and press enter, and you can see it has created the total. It has calculated the total. So we have used this name, and when we will change the name from here, you can see, and the total is also changed. So similarly, we will apply here average formula as average and press tab and then write indirect tab, and again select the name and close the parentheses, and here you can see it has created the average. So you can see we have indirectly used this. We will change here the name, the values will change. So this is how indirect function is used in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.